Now, your 41 NBC AccuWeather forecast, presented by Volume Chevrolet.
We're taking a look at our infrared satellite here, and you can see mainly the moisture is coming up out of the Gulf ahead of our system here. Now, we had some showers to move in early this morning, but what we're left with is cloudy conditions. Now, this is a look at our 41 Skyview camera over downtown Macon, brought to you by the Piedmont Macon Medical Center, and we have 56 degrees under mostly cloudy conditions. The humidity is at 75%, and then the dew point is at 48 degrees. Now, as we look across the southeast right now, you have a variety of temperatures. Notice Memphis is already at 35 degrees. Nashville is at 37. We come on down to Atlanta, it's 50 degrees. Macon's at 56. But look at that warm bottle right there, that warm bubble right there. Valdosta's at 70 degrees. So you have your range here. All these elements are going to take place and come into effect with this winter storm. We had those morning showers. We're looking at winter storm watch for northern Georgia. Now, we also have a ice storm warning for several counties in northeast Georgia as well, but mainly counties such as Butler, Putnam, Jasper. You're looking at the winter storm watch for right now. Now, looking at the forecast here, we have mostly cloudy conditions with a possible shower 58 degrees. And then again, we're looking at our satellite and radar. Again, you see those showers that have moved through already. Now, here's the future cast. For Saturday morning, while you're sleeping, we'll just have cloudy conditions. But as we get into the middle of the day here, a few more clouds, but notice that front, that boundary starts to move in. Now, one thing about it, those winds are going to be coming out of the east. And again, when they're coming out of the east, that's going to open up a little bit of the moisture that's going to be coming out of this Gulf. That's going to overrun this air that's in the east, and that's going to help to feed into this, which is our mixed precipitation. Now, when we get to about Sunday, we will have mainly, that line is kind of close there, but notice we got that warm front. So mostly it'll be rain for most of middle Georgia, with the exception of the counties that I mentioned. Now, as we get later into it, notice a few more showers, but what's going to happen is when it moves on out of here, we're going to have very Arctic air that's going to move in. Some of it's going to be very dangerous, so you definitely going to have to layer up. This is not going to be 24 hours. This is going to be sustaining for a while, so be prepared for that. I will have your 7-day forecast in about 10 seconds.
Every new Volume Chevrolet comes with our exclusive 20-year, 200,000-mile warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and oil changes for life. Volume Chevrolet.
Here's your 41 NBC AccuWeather 7-day forecast, sponsored by Volume Chevrolet. Showers possible later on, and then Saturday, we're only going to get up to 48 degrees. That transition time into late Saturday into Sunday, it will be mainly rain, but we may see a little bit of a wintry mix as those temperatures fall into the 20s. Anything that is residual on the ground is going to be frozen solid, because we're going to start out in the teens and only get up to 37 degrees. So this is going to be record stuff, dangerous stuff for the beginning portion of next week.